you're natural, but brows on fleek though. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this is a video about doing your eyebrows. I know this is a time where everyone's kind of struggling to feel pretty, feel put together, and I've been trying to find ways to do that without having to put makeup on every day. And one of those things I do is my eyebrows. I've been doing my eyebrows for probably like 3 years at least. I don't ever wax them. I always pluck and use eyebrow razors. You'll see everything I use in a little bit. So yeah, I just been trying to find ways to feel cute because you know I don't got nowhere to go, so it's like, what do I do? But I feel like having your brows, you know, intact, it just brings your look together a little bit more. It gives you the natural slay. Like, you're natural, but brows on fleek though. So basically that's it. I'll show you all the products first. Everything will be linked down below. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. So first I'm going to start by brushing my brow hairs up. This just makes it easier to pluck the hairs along my brow bone. When I'm first starting to pluck my brows, I like to just pick all the hairs that I notice right away because it just cleans it up a lot faster and makes the process way easier. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the top of the brow. I'm going to brush it down, and then I'm just going to pluck any hairs that obviously are outside of my brow shape. The hairs on the top of my brow tend to be more fine than the ones under, so that's when I go in and use my razor just to get those hairs that'll be kind of hard to grab with tweezers. And as you can see, I'm using the razor on the middle of my brows as well. And after I'm done using the razor, I just go back in and get any extra hairs that I see. A good way to kind of see what your brow shape is to either visualize or actually outline your brow with a brow pencil. And if there are any hairs that are obviously outside of the line, you can just pluck those. So then I'm going to just do the same exact thing to the other side of my brow. So my favorite part, I'm going to brush my brows up and then cut the hairs that are just a little too long for the shape of my brows. So after it's all said and done, you're just going to do some regular maintenance. The little hairs are hard to pick with the tweezers, but not impossible, so I just literally go in and get any hairs that I missed. So when I'm done, I just go in with some aloe vera gel and rub it in with a cotton ball. So this is pretty much the finished look. You can see this eyebrow is kind of better than this one. That's just because it's shaped different. This one always comes out fleeky as fuck, and this one is like eh. But it's still clean. She's clean. She's clean. Yeah, so, you know, it's gonna vary depending on your eyebrow type. Sorry, I'm really close. It's gonna vary depending on your eyebrow type, but it's all the same concept. So you're cleaning up under your brow first. You have to focus on the tail because I feel like that's very important to shape your tail. You see that tail though, you see she's sharp. Say she not sure. So I hope this helped you guys, because I know I like keeping my brows nice, and people be saying my brows look nice, and I love it because it's like I did them myself. I woke up like this. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, please subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.